Hip external rotation, PAILs and rails in the half kneel position. What that means is we're gonna go to the end point of our hip external rotation, and from there we're gonna apply isometrics on both sides of the stretch. So I'm using yoga blocks here to help me block the stretch. You can use anything heavy enough. The wall like I'm using, kettlebell, dumbbell, corner of a couch. So something heavy enough to push with the outside of that ankle area, bottom of the shin area. So what we're gonna do is, if I'm neutral here, this is external rotation, pulling away from the yoga blocks, feeling that groin, inner thigh motion. So I wanna block all that range of motion. I wanna get to the end point. So by rotating away from the wall here, I can take myself into that as I'm fixed there. And from there, you should be able to only lift a hair with a good amount of effort. If that's where you're at, that's the perfect spot to be. The end point, but with a little control. So from here, you'll take a couple of deep breaths before you begin isometrics. The PAILs isometric will be pushing back against the yoga block in an effort to rotate out of that. So you're thinking now internal rotation, the opposite. So really pushing here, firing up the hip rotators. Depending on your effort that you want to give, light, moderate, max. And then rails will be to then pull away, rotate away, deeper into the stretch, pulling with the opposite muscles, opposite side. And you'll hold that for however many seconds.